This is not Photoshop. This is a real zucchini. And it grew without a single handful of soil in an ordinary plastic bucket, right in my home. It all started with a simple idea. Build a hydroponic system from whatever was lying around. A bucket, an aquarium air pump, a net cup filled with clay pebbles, and one zucchini seed. No soil, just water with dissolved nutrients and air pumped directly to the roots. Day 1. The seed sits in the clay pebbles, absorbing moisture. By day 3, the first root appears, thin white. It heads straight down toward the water. In soil, it would have to push through dense ground. Here, the path is clear. Day 5. The seed splits open. 2 cotyledons push upward, slowly but unstoppably. By day 7, the plant is standing. Small, fragile, but alive. And then it really begins. From day 8, the zucchini shifts into another gear. Leaves unfurl one after another, enormous, jagged, covered in sharp bristles. Each new leaf bigger than the last. Below the bucket lid, something equally impressive is happening. Within 2 weeks, the roots transform into a dense white beard, filling every centimeter of the tank. By day 25, the plant no longer fits in the frame. Day 28, the first flower. Bright yellow, large. It opens in the morning and lives for just 1 day. There are no bees in this system, so I pollinate it myself. Here is the male flower, on a thin stem covered in pollen. Here is the female. At its base, a tiny ovary is already visible, a future zucchini the size of a finger. I carefully transfer the pollen. The flower closes. Now I wait. Without this step, the ovary would simply turn yellow and drop off within 2 days. After pollination, everything changes. The plant stops investing energy in leaves and channels everything into the fruit. The zucchini grows 3 to 5 centimeters per day, visibly before your eyes. By day 50, it is so heavy it starts to bend the stem. I tie it up with a rope. The water in the bucket drops rapidly. The fruit drinks it by the liter. Day 61. 42 centimeters. 1 kilogram, 300 grams. I cut the zucchini and open the bucket. Almost no water left, only roots. Dense, white, alive. They have claimed every centimeter of space inside. This is what happens when you give a plant everything it needs and remove everything it doesn't. No soil, just water, light, and 61 days of patience.